So, hi guys. So this is going to be a tutorial on how to create your Google Classroom for teachers. So basic requirements are for the teachers, you need to have your Google account. And of course, also for the students, it would be wise also for them to have their own Google account. So let's begin. So the first step is to log in to your Google account. So in this case, I've already logged into my Google account. And on the upper right corner, right after to your next to your avatar is your Google app. So we're just going to click on that and look for the Google Classroom. So this is what the icon for the classroom is going to look like. So we're going to create our first classroom. So again, we just go back to our upper right corner. So right after the Google Apps is the plus sign. So we're just going to click on that. So for teachers, we're going to create a class. Okay, let's give it a check, press continue. And the first line is the class name. So this is required. So normally what I do to my class name is I write down the subject that I do for that class. So that's going to be my Math 8. The period to which I will be teaching that. So that will be my period most. Let's just say that's going to be my period 1. Okay. School year would be from 2019 to 2020. You could also fill up your section. You could say the Math 8 or the 8th graders, 8th grade. Okay, subject will just then be Math 8 again. Room will be the room where you will be teaching it. So that will just be room 101 if you have a physical class. So let's press create. It's going to take some time for it to create. So this is what Google Classroom is going to look like. Now, our next step is we're going to be adding our students. So up on the center, you'd see stream, classwork, people, and grades. So let's click on people and let's click on, so we got teachers and we also have students. So we could also add another teachers to be part of the Google Classroom, or in most cases, we're just going to be adding students. So there's like 2 ways for us to add our students. Okay, so we type a name or we type their name or email. So if you've been communicating to your students via email, it will be a lot easier for you to write in their emails. So I'm just going to write down, this is actually my wife's email. Okay, then press invite. You could actually invite a lot of students at a time. So press invite. And okay, so what's going to happen next is your student will be receiving an email from your account that you are inviting your students to join the Google Classroom. So they would have to accept that invitation for them to be formally part of your Google Classroom. So another way for you to invite students on your Google Classroom is to go back to Stream. So this is going to take you to the very front part of your Google Classroom. And just right below your classroom name is your class code. So just going to plus display. This is going to be helpful if you have it on a projector. Okay. So what you're going to do what you're going to tell to your students if you have them with them physically is you could tell them to log into their Google accounts and join Google Classroom as a student and just type in the code for your Google Classroom. And that's basically it. So I hope you guys were able to learn something on how to add or how to create your Google Classroom in Google. Thank you.